Hey everybody, welcome back to Copilot Exchange. This is Steven, and grab your adult diapers and tissues. We are going to talk about AVGR and the ridiculous price action today and try to make some sense of it. So earlier I was talking about the gap. I have a video on the gap that formed today and how we absolutely retraced and filled that gap. But we're going to talk a little bit about Bollinger Band price action. So you see these blue bands that I have on my chart? That's a Bollinger Band overlay. And typically speaking, just in general, you see how this price action, as I'm scrolling my mouse across the screen, really likes to stay inside of those Bollinger Bands. It's this nice, tight price action, and it really just likes to stay inside the bands. Whenever you see a candlestick exceed or break outside of the bands, like this big one here this morning, you can safely assume there's going to be a healthy pullback in order to really cut down on the volatility of the price action, and that's exactly what happened. We pulled back, got back inside the Bollinger Bands, but here's the interesting thing. At the end of the day, we actually had another breakout of the Bollinger Bands. On the downside, on the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, you can see that 30-minute wick broke outside of it, and the last candle of the day, well, we recovered. We came back inside the Bollinger Bands. So price action is starting to kind of, well, I would say, in my personal opinion, calm down a little bit. I actually am hoping we are headed back towards this gap for a really nice retracement. Like I said, I'm still holding my shares at 98 cents a share. Definitely a little scared, as I should be. You should be nervous as an investor, or you're not doing it right, in my opinion. But take one look at one final point I have here, and that is the previous level of support is retested several times, is at 80 cents. And our last couple candles of the day, you see this second to the last 30-minute candle almost tapped that 80-cent support and bounced really hard off of it. So that tells me there's still a lot of support in the 80-cent range. I don't personally set stop losses, but if the price action crosses below 80 cents, I will be strongly considering offloading this stock to avoid a major loss. So good luck to you all tomorrow. Hopefully this gave you a little bit more insight into what's happening with AVGR. And I will see you all on the other side.